Ready to unlock the power of automated crypto trading? This video will guide you through properly using the Photon trading bot, maximizing its potential while minimizing risks. First, let's explore Photon's core features. Notice the portfolio dashboard. Here, you'll track all your trades and performance metrics. Next, it's about choosing the right strategy. Photon offers diverse options, from momentum trading to arbitrage. Select a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Remember to carefully examine each strategy's parameters and historical performance data. Risk management is crucial. Set stop loss and take profit levels to protect your capital. This feature will automatically exit trades when your predefined thresholds are met, preventing significant losses and securing profits. Always backtest your chosen strategy using Photon's backtesting feature. This allows you to simulate trading scenarios with historical data, optimizing your settings before deploying real capital. Once you are satisfied with your backtesting results, activate the bot. Monitor its performance closely and make adjustments as needed. Crypto trading involves risk, so always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Using Photon Trading Bot is one tool, but responsible trading is in your hands.